Imagine going to sleep and waking up with money in your account. No boss, no 9 to 5, just income working for you. Sounds unreal? It's not. Intro. In the United States, thousands of people earn money while they sleep. Not because they're lucky, but because they understand passive income. Today I'll show you real passive income ideas that can help you build freedom over time. 1. What is passive income? Passive income means earning money without actively working every hour. You build something once and it keeps paying you again and again. 2. Affiliate marketing. You promote products using a special link. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Platforms, Amazon Associates. ClickBank, no product needed, just smart promotion. 3. YouTube automation. You create videos and YouTube pays you through ads, sponsorships and affiliate links. The best part, your videos keep earning even when you're not working. 4. Digital products. Sell things like ebooks, courses, templates. Create once, sell unlimited times. This is one of the most powerful passive income streams. 5. Investments. Investing in stocks or assets can grow your money over time. Dividends and long-term growth can generate income without daily effort. 6. Online business. Build a website, store, or brand. Once it's set up, it can generate sales automatically. Reality. Check. Passive income is not instant. You have to put in effort at the beginning. But once it's built, it gives you freedom. So don't chase quick money. Build systems that work for you. Because the goal isn't just to make money, it's to make money while you sleep. Subscribe for more business, money, and freedom content. Because your journey to financial freedom starts now.